All right, another day, another Thursday. Graphics with Mish. Feel like I'm recording a podcast right now. Oh my gosh. Ladies, hope you're having a good Thursday. I am going to share with you how to make Instagram story graphics or Facebook story graphics. You can see I already started, so I'm going to show you what templates I used. So to get to templates, it's right here where it says templates. I have this sweet story grid already here. I have already added a few pages. I'm going to show you how you can add a page. So it's this button right here, but say like I just had, this, these two pages, I want to add another page. So I kind of like this. Actually, I like this. Well, I want something without words. So I'm going to go with this. And then I'm going to show you how to edit it. I'm going to click my uploads. I've got all my great, amazing graphics. I want to do a spread that's like all the coffee, but I want to put moon clutches as my background because it kind of looks fun and abstract. So I'm going to do a coffee themed graphic. Let's see, do I even have a picture of coffee in here? I do. Look at that pretty picture. So I'm going to adjust that. Do I have anything else? Let's see. I don't see anything else that I would have for coffee. I need to probably download some pictures. I do like that one of Liz, but I actually do. I know where I have another coffee picture that I like, my under 39. I have an under $39 folder with all the photos that have our products that are under 39. I just think 39 is an easier price point to wrap your mind around for customers who might not be able to afford the big bags or the boots or some of our apparel. So I really like giving people options of how they can be a part of Seiko. And so I love this. I think it would be cute to have another one. I think in my fall winter, I don't think it's drop two. I think it's the first fall winter photos. I had some of the coffee ones. I know I didn't download too many of them because I don't know. Oh, there's some. Okay, let's see. I would like one, probably. Oh, I like that one. Definitely want to include that one, but I like one with the gal, so I'm gonna include her. And I like that off-centeredness of that one. Just keeps the eye flowing, and I like it set back, just because. Oh, yeah, that's cute too. Okay, I like that. But see, since these are or horizontal and that's vertical, I'm gonna kind of need it to, this might be good as a cropped shot too. So just gonna show you how I play with an image to get exactly what I want. So see, like this would be cool, maybe like that, to show you how to pour it. I think this feels too set back, so I would double click that photo and try to make it larger by grabbing the anchor point on the corner so it evenly distributes. I like that. I still also like this picture too, but it doesn't feel as balanced when I put it in. I think this works because you've got some black tones up here with the cabinets and the coffee cup and then her blouse. And then it works because you got both of the Timbo print, I think that's what it's called, on both of those. So I like that one for the coffee. You could even put that as the background on the coffee. I don't know. I kind of like just that little slice of moon clutch. So there's no words on that one, which is okay. It would be nice if it had words for the coffee one. So maybe I'll make another coffee one and delete that other one. So what if I started with her, she looked so happy with her bag of coffee. I think I would crop it a little bit of the top of her head, and then I would do this, and then might be nice. I do like just kind of the process, like the detail of the pour over. And then maybe in this little slice right here, we could, yeah, maybe highlight. Oh, no. Cancel. I'm gonna do this and then just, okay, let's see. That's kind of fun. I don't know. I would just play with it. I kind of like just seeing the print of the bag, like just a little bit of the print's kind of fun. And then you could say something like, together coffee, celebrate together with together coffee. Since it's the holidays, celebrate together with coffee. But I would maybe say together coffee. So that's just one way. I still like this one actually a lot. I like the way this looks. I love that moon clutch detail there. I'm gonna add another page of template, and I think I'm gonna do this double one, and I want to see what photos. I think on this it would be fun to highlight the new bag, and then maybe, yeah, one of our custom custom pieces, the Better Together makeup bag, and then this background. I think you could even do the same photo. I kind of like how that looks, but I might just crop it a different way, and then just say bags that shine are gifts that give. So I'm kind of playing on the fact that these are more luminescent bags, but they're also ones that have a bigger and brighter purpose. If I wanted to do another page of maybe the custom, I would pick this guy, customize your piece in our amazing custom shop. I'm gonna say, instead of customize, design your piece in our amazing custom shop, and then I'm gonna go to uploads, and then so some of the custom are the little snakeskin circle bag. I love that piece. These moon clutches look like it. Maybe I'll do that there. Do the, I'm not liking, that's just literally a slice of something. I would just find something kind of simple and vertical, like maybe these coin purses, because you can design those. Or you could just delete this oh wait, and then maybe instead of having the two, I would just excuse me, do this. And actually I want to crop it. So I'm gonna crop it like just lower. Done. And then bring it up a little bit. And then another piece that's designed. Oh, I do like this too. That would be a really simple, I like how it puts the detail on her earring. I might just widen that a little bit and then bring it down, and then maybe bring this down a bit. I'm okay with cropping the bottom piece of that moon clutch, and then I'm just using my arrow keys to just slightly nudge it more toward the center. And then maybe on the last page, I still like this, but I'm gonna delete it because I think I like this idea of the holiday capsule, wrap yourself in bravery, celebrate together. I think I want to say that in bold, just these ideas of celebrating, and then bags that shine or gifts that give, design your own piece. So it's just kind of giving customers options of what they could design. Anywho, I hope this helps. Then when you download, you would just do PNGs, you're going to do all pages, and then click download. So I hope that helps you ladies. I can't believe I went 12 minutes. Wow. Okay. Bye.